The situation is grim right now for many Colorado hospitals. They are filling up fast with COVID patients, and now they're taking more action to address the dwindling capacity. And the state has activated what is called the crisis standards of care to address the staffing shortage.
The move allows hospitals more flexibility and legal cover to stretch limited staff or to bring more in to keep providing emergency care. Here's where we are right now with people hospitalized who have COVID. 1,431. That's a new high for this year. Connor McHugh live at Denver Health tonight for us. And Connor, each hospital has to activate this as well.
Yeah, and Karen, Denver Health is one of them that did choose to opt in today. They tell us not because of an immediate need, but because they wanted to keep all of their options open. Now, many other hospitals around the state may not have that same kind of choice, as close to 40% are expecting to be affected by staffing shortages within a week.
I think where we're at right now is where none of us wanted to be.
A crucial part of the state's modeling team, Dr. Elizabeth Carlton has tracked every trend over the last 20 months. And right now, hospitalizations are headed in the wrong direction again.
So we're still below the worst of what we saw in December of 2020, but we're now afraid we could get there and exceed that demand.
Just recently, her team projected the statewide possibility of nearly 1,400 COVID patients by late November, a grim milestone reached just a few days later.
We all looked at the numbers and gasped.
On Tuesday, the state activated its crisis standards of care for staffing. It allows hospitals to team up staff or move them to different areas, as well as minimize paperwork and fast-track training.
It gives hospitals a bit more flexibility in what they need to do to provide care with the staff that they have currently.
Kara Welch with the Colorado Hospital Association says the standards can also address PPE, EMS services, and hospitals, but those have not been activated.
If we can't mitigate where we are and make some dramatic changes quickly, we will get to a point where we have to ration care.
A worst-case scenario, the state's modeling team says, can be avoided.
The key to preventing a surge above our hospital's ability to handle the surge is vaccines, masks, and improved access to treatment.
Now, while those hospitals are stressed, Welch and Carlton say it is incredibly important for people to continue seeking medical care if and when they need it. They say last year when people began to put it off, both procedures and visits, they say that is now playing into all of this situation right now. Live tonight in Denver, Connor McHugh covering Colorado First.